How to enable guest mode on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To enable the guest mode on your Android, it is pretty simple. For this, you need to make sure that the guest mode is enabled. In order to do so, tap on the phone settings. Within your phone setting, tap on the search icon to search for user. Here you will see the option multiple users. You can click on it. Now over here, make sure this button right here is toggled on. If it is toggled off, you will not have the multiple feature, so make sure to always leave it open. Now here you will see yourself, then guest, or you can add any other user by tapping on add user and tapping on the OK button. Now, if there is the guest user feature, this means it will be like using a brand new phone, which means your current Google account will not be associated with the guest mode. The content on your Android device will not be associated with your initial mode or the user that you are. So admin mode and guest mode are completely different, which can consist of various of different content. However, in the term of the network such as the SIM connection, the guest mode cannot use the SIM connection. So hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.